Well, hello again, everyone. It's a pretty wet and grim morning this morning, but I'm off to the NEC to the Motorcycle Live event, and I'm planning to meet up with Chaz when I get there. About an hour and a half up the motorway for me to the NEC. Right, I've arrived. Looks pretty busy. I've spoken to Chaz. He's waiting for me in the entrance. Let's go and find him. Flipping heck, I'm parked miles away. Big queues to get in. Popular event, this. Well, we're in the show. Let's start with a general look round to see who's here.
So this is Alex on his new bike.
Now this seemed to be some sort of event designed to replicate the sort of situation you might find yourself in if you're trapped within a maze in an abandoned Christmas tree farm. There was a long queue for it, so we didn't bother, but yeah, definitely a popular event. You never know when that eventuality may occur. That's a Ural. You see them for sale sometimes, don't you? The older ones. It's quite nice.
I like the way it's got the disc brake on the trailer.
Yeah. Sir,
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. And your inquiry isn't general enough.
Sorry. It was noticeable how prominent electric bikes were at the show. This is a solar-powered scooter. It recharges through these solar panels. Only for use off-road though, unfortunately. These ones are a bit special. Imagine pulling up to work on one of these. It was interesting to view the Super Soco stand and how the bikes have moved on from the little TS that I owned a few years back. Of course, I was particularly interested in anything with custom paint, and there were some very good examples in attendance at the show. Have a look at this Iron Maiden themed example from Extreme Paint Studio. More from Extreme Paint Studio. You can see hours and hours of work has gone into these. Now this was my absolute favourite on the Crazy Horse stand. The paintwork is by Hurricane Airbrush and it is absolutely flawless. Another thing I was interested in, of course, is what might I buy as a first bike when I pass the full test. How about this Fantic Caballero 500? I did like the look of this. How about the new BSA Gold Star? I do like this, but I'm not sure I can stretch the full price, and they're not going to be available second hand like the Fantics are. I think Chaz rather liked it too. How about this? The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650.
That's the new 650 Meteor. Alex on it there. What a bike that is. That suits you, dude. Suits you.
Now I really like this. It was my absolute favourite, I think, in the show in terms of suitability for me. But I think the price might be a little bit rich for me. And obviously they're not going to be around second hand for a while. In fact, they're not going to be available new to buy until spring next year.
And that's the Ttxela, which I've ridden and is a really, really good bike. Really is.
Now I did like the Interceptor, but it just didn't grab me in quite the same way as the Super Meteor. But of course they are available second hand as they've been around a little while. So there you go, that was our day at the Motorcycle Live show. What bikes would you have chosen, and do you agree with my selection for the sort of best ones for a first bike for me when I pass my full test, hopefully? Let me know in the comments below if you'd have chosen something different.